everybody, welcome back to Baldur's Gate Dark Alliance. I forgot what I was doing. Where is my... There it is. Stuff. I don't have much for stuff, do I? I still carry quite a bit though, so I don't need to go back. I only have the one recall potion though. Do I have a map? I do have a map. Oh, that looks like the way I'm supposed to go. So let's try over here. Or maybe this is the way I'm supposed to go. Oh, I just got smashed. Nice. Very nice. Alright, so... try that again. There we go. Yeah, that's definitely the way I'm supposed to go. So we'll go the opposite way. Do some exploring. Can't remember where my potions are. Jump. Jump, Tubby. Did I already go this way? 'Cause there's gold over here. Oh, it's a big rat. Jeez. Okay. Try that again. Jeez, I'm getting one-shotted by this rat. Everything's kicking my ass. I don't know if I can avoid that thing. I don't think I can. I could go back and buy better equipment, maybe? Worn leather gloves, does that help me? Give me one. So yeah, that helps me a little bit. Not a lot though. Where you at? Jeez. That was painful. I don't know if that was worth it. For that little bit of gold. Why don't y'all give me more stuff? I could use better stuff. More better stuff. Please. We're gonna save quick. Just so I don't have to do that again. I really don't want to do that again. Alright. Come here, big guy. Yeah, that was a lot easier. Worn boots. Do I have good boots on? Worn leather boots. Worn leather boots. And worn leather boots. Alright. This looks like a boss fight. Intruders, there's only one. It's me. And we just kind of head back out here. Come on, come on. Yeah. I mean, that's one way to do it. Is that cheating? It doesn't feel like it's cheating. I don't think it's cheating. I think it's using your environment to your advantage. I'm gonna have to beat that big guy, aren't I, though? There's a lot of you. Come on, come over this way. No sense in me trying to fight all of you. Come on. Oh boy. Okay, so you have a limit to how far you go. I mean, I'm gonna hit you. Oh boy, oh boy. Got it. Rooch, give me this giant thing. No. 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 I have 2 points. Armor class by 1. I might need that. So that costs 2. A lot of these cost 2. I don't need mana regeneration. We'll do that. And we'll increase chance of critical. And that's pretty much all we can do. And there's one of you. There's 2 of you. I'll pick up that dagger. Thank you. Alright, let's go looting. Why you give me arrows, though? You can stop with that nonsense. Gold. That's all you give me is 9 gold. All that pain and suffering for 9 gold. Stop with the arrows. Rusty light mace. Thing over here.
Locked.
Did I not get the key? Up to town. But what's this way? Ah. Well, looting first, and then we'll deal with you. Hey, there's a door here. how to get into the door, though. Sup, stupid?
Thank the gods you're here. Any longer and I'd be sitting in some kobold's belly. Well, after I gave you the cellar door key, I felt guilty about letting you head down here without help, so I followed you down. No sooner do I get down here than I'm surrounded by those yapping kobold devils, and they haul me to this cell and lock me in. There's an entrance to the sewers from the street, and I used that. I knew about it from my days when I was in the guild. The old guild, not the new one. Retired. That life's behind me. Still, I've kept a bit of what I've learned, and it might help you now. I managed to pick this key off the chieftain you killed. I think it unlocks a gate deeper in the sewers. If you're still aiming to catch those thieves that robbed you, then you'll need it. While I was locked up here, I overheard some of the thieves from this new guild planning a mission. And that's what I heard. I don't know what that thief was carrying, but it can't have been good. If you want to stop whatever deviltry they've got planned, then you'll need to head deeper into the sewers and find that thief. All right then, I don't need to tell you to be careful. I'll meet up with you at the Elf Song Tavern later on. Come find me when you've found that thief and what he was carrying. I'll try to dig up some of my old contacts and see if they can tell me anything about these thieves that could help you out.
How do I get in here? Is there not a way in there? It looks like there should be a way in there. Oh, run, stubby, 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 run. Already got that one. I think I got all of them. Alright, and this is the town. So we'll go to town. Okay. Let's pretend I know where I'm going. I figured there'd be a secret or something back here. Guess not. Tavern. Church. Dead rat. Squish. Back alley.
This isn't the place for that.
I can't attack the pots. That's disappointing. Makes me a sad little dwarf. You're new. And you're new. More importantly, you.
We have many fine deals. What are you looking for?
Dupe. Dupe.
Our shop carries the finest dwarven weapons, brought here all the way from the Sunset Mountains.
I mean, they do the same.
Axes, bows. We have everything you need right
So,
here.
yeah. Then I don't need you. Definitely don't
You
need all of
something
you.
to split someone's skull, or a helm to protect your own.
1 to
You'll
4.
come to the right place.
Staff, sword, mace, dagger. That's a special club.
If quality and price are your chief concerns, then look no farther. You'll find my shop has excellent weapons at reasonable prices.
What?
Oh, friend. I think the smell of the sewers has taken a liking to you.
Oh, that's
We
just
have
select.
many
I don't know what
fine
those do,
deals.
so I guess
What
I'm
are you
just
looking
selling them.
for?
I don't need these.
Our shop carries the finest dwarven weapons, brought here all the way from the Sunset
That.
Mountains. Swords, axes, bows. We have everything you need right here.
Are rubies for something?
If quality and price are your chief concerns,
keep that
then
just in
look no
case.
farther. You'll find my shop
get rid of
has
that.
excellent weapons at reasonable prices. Oh, friend. I think the smell of the sewers has taken a liking to you.
You say that one more time, we can't be friends.
We have many fine deals. What are you looking for?
I want it. I mean, I really want
Our
this.
shop carries the finest dwarven weapons, brought here all the way from the Sunset Mountains.
Oh,
Swords,
sadness.
axes, bows. We have everything.
Probably
you
need better
right
armor. An iron shield would probably be nice. A helmet that actually does something would also be nice. Boost up my defenses a little bit.
If quality
That's
and
12.
price are your
It's
chief
way better than
concerns, then look
6.
no farther. You'll find my shop has excellent weapons at reasonable prices.
I have padded, but a nice shield would be nice too, so we'll do that. Then
Oh, friend. I think the smell of the sewers has taken a liking to you.
man, guess I'm gonna have to go with crap weapon for right now.
We have many fine deals.
I could get a fine light mace. That's only 500. So that's not
Our
too
shop
bad.
carries the finest dwarven weapons, brought here all the way
Like, you
from
don't
the
tell me
Sunset
what these really do.
Swords, axes,
And that's annoying.
bows. We have everything you need right here. If quality and price are your chief concerns, then look no farther. You'll find my shop has excellent weapons at reasonable prices.
I don't know what it does, but it better be useful.
Oh, friend.
I hate you
I
so
think the
goddamn
smell
much.
of the sewers has taken a liking.
Do. That's 531. Can I still buy that?
We have many fine
Why'd that
deals.
change?
What are you looking for?
Yep, I can, so. And then just
Our shop carries
sell that to you.
brought here all the way.
There we go. That's that. So who are you and what do you do?
Well met, friend. It's good to see a new face in the elf song. Please have a seat, share a drink. Ah, sad tale, friend. My heart goes out to you. It seems Baldur's Gate has not been treating its visitors well of late. I, too, am a stranger here. Well, I came to pay my respects at the Shrine of Suffering, the local temple run by the priests of Ilmater. But I came to find the temple sealed, and no one answered my summons. I had a terrible feeling that something was wrong inside, but I did not know what. My brother's bones lie within the crypts beneath the shrine. I'd hoped to pay my respects at his grave and take back with me his medallion that had been buried with him. It was always his intention that it be passed on through our family, and now that I have a little one of my own, I wish my child to have the medallion. But now I do not know what to do, so I sit here, drink, and wait for the shrine to awake.
Alright. What do you got for me?
Please, leave me be. I want no trouble. I've been waiting for someone, but I fear I wait in vain. My man, Kissin, had just gone on an expedition into the north to a place called Battle of the Bones, where the dead still walk. He has a talent for the shadowy arts, and he had been asked to recover an item, an orb for someone, then bring it here to Baldur's Gate. The amount of money he was being offered was more than either of us had ever seen. When I spoke to him about the expedition, however, he was acting strangely, almost dazed, as if he'd been hypnotized or charmed. He was obsessed with finding this orb for his new employer. We had agreed to meet here in the Elf Song should anything happen. But it's been almost 3 nights now, and I have seen no sign of him. I fear for the worst. I fear that the orb he recovered may have done something horrible to him.
Question. Why do your titties not jiggle, but hers jiggle fucking everywhere? What's up with that? You got anything for me?
Thanks for the rescue down in the sewers, friend. I feel like a right fool for not... Did you find that thief who was running around in the sewers?
Oh, I didn't have to buy the amulet. No, wrong. No, also wrong. Boop. Nice. Save quick. Always save. Hey, BT.
Thank you for finding Ethan. He told me what happened down in the sewers. Here's some coins for your trouble, and please
Pull that out of your
you're
ass
welcome
this
to rest
time?
here anytime, no charge.
I think you pulled that out of your ass this time around. You got anything for me?
Thanks for your help, friend.
No. Okay. I have 423 bucks. I can get some better gear. Gloves and boots, probably.
Swords, axes, bows. We have everything you need right here.
I can only afford one.
If you need something to split someone's skull, or a helm to protect your own,
Those
you'll
are
come to
$6.50.
the right place.
Well, helmet or
Quality and price
boot
are
or glove?
chief
Boot or
concerns
glove?
that
Boot or
look
glove?
no farther. You'll find my shop has excellent
Go
weapons
gloves.
at reasonable price.
Then sell gloves.
Oh, friend.
I don't like
I
you.
think the smell of the sewers.
Alright, goodbye. So I can't just go over here and inside, apparently. I have to go back down. And do things. And do the stuff. A lot of people out here in the rain. Oh yeah, I look a lot meaner. Not as long a reach though, which is fine. Alright, back down. Well, down we go. That's good. Save point. What do you got for me? Something good? Keen short sword. What is a keen short sword? What's the red dot mean? I don't know what the red dot means. I don't understand. It doesn't tell me. What did I just do? Drop it? Oh, god damn it. What does this? You don't tell me what anything means. Subtitles on. Thought I already had that on. Ignite? That wasn't ignite, that was hit in the face. Stupid. Dumb. Hi. Oh, there's a lot of you. Alright. You're still not giving me crap for gold, though. Decent-ish stuff to sell. I need a new controller. Hey, buddy. Come here. No, come in. Like, through the door, dude. Dude, through the door. Are you dumb? You are dumb. Okay, there's another one. Oh, there you go. I'll take that. Not that I need that. Yeah, come here. Oh, that almost kicked my ass. Can't pick up those things. The fuck are you? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, giant slime square. Plenty of recall potions now. Running through the water. Found me another slime. Picked up a warhammer. 1 to 8, 2 to 9, negative. Did I just pick up? Oh, a regular light mace, not a fine light mace. Where the fudgicles am I supposed to be going? Why fudgicles? Why am I saying fudgicles? Where the fuck am I supposed to be going? Come here. Stop running. Little bastards. Let me hit you. feel like I'm supposed to be going this way, so maybe don't go this way. Ow! Annoying. So I'll go a different way for the time being. Oh, okay. That's fine, I'll just regenerate my health. That's okay. Controller, stop being dumb. Huh. So. Bitches. Alright, what'd I pick up? What'd I pick up? Anything good? Anything good? I bought an iron shield just to pick up an iron shield. This iron shield looks way cooler though. Whatever. It is what it is, I guess. You're a big guy. Come here. I'll solo you. Come here. Where are you going, dude? Serrated dagger. Oh, just straight 4 damage. Not bad. I got plenty of health potions. I can heal up a little bit. Speaking of health potions. Come here, little guy. Little buddy, come here! God damn it, run! Oh, you're annoying as shit. The slime eats you. $5 Nah. Right or left? Probably supposed to go this way. So we'll go north and see what happens here. Oh. At least you seem to be inaccurate as fuck with that. don't like this place. At all. Ow. So confused. Because there's saves over there, saves over here. Uh-oh. Shield, more health. Ow. Bastards. Fuck are you, slimes? Run, Stubby, Stubby, Stubby! Oh. Oh, I gotta find 3 levers. Okay. I got 1. Ring? What ring? Where's the ring? There's a ring. Fuck you. What, did you come out of the fucking wall? No. Studded leather better than what I'm wearing. Yes. By a lot. I just find another fine light mace. Are you telling me I didn't have to buy the shit that I bought? That I should have just waited? I don't like slimes. They're a pain. Ow. Ow! I think I'd be short enough I could just go underneath those. This looks incredibly painful. Thank you, potions. I would like a fuck ton more potions, actually. 'Cause I'm pretty sure I'm about out. 7 regular. And 1 big one. Haven't I been picking up big ones? Did I stop using big ones and start... Did I stop using regular ones and use big ones? Probably. So that's the second lever, I believe. I need a third lever. Did I go all the way up there yet? I think I did. Yeah, I did, because that's where the first lever was. So it's probably back at that other save point. Ow. Ow. Ow! Quit clenching me! Weak sauce. Okay. Back through this mess. Ow. Over here. Yeah, over here. I can hear water, but I don't see any water. Somebody splashing around. Wait, really? That's... Oh, crypt. Okay. Yeah, we'll enter crypt. I want your helmet.
Have you done as I asked, Khan?
Yes, my Lord Xantum. I sent one of my best men to the crypts in the temple, as you instructed.
The orb must be placed within the Chamber of Ashes within the crypts. If your man fails to do this, then both of you shall answer for it.
Yes, my lord. He knows your wishes, and he will not fail you.
Very well. Bring me the prisoner you found in the sewers. I will question him now.
My lord, I sent for the prisoner some time ago, but I have received no word from the bugbears in the sewers.
Send your men into the sewers. Find out what has happened to our soldiers and bring me the prisoner. Do not fail me in this, Khan.
Yes, my lord. Should I recall the man I sent to the temple?
No. If he places the orb as instructed, he will not be coming back. Tell your men to avoid the temple grounds. To enter it now is certain death.
Okay, so the big... Oh! Smashing buttons! I'm assuming there's a... Ha! There's a save thing somewhere here. Apparently not. Jeez, that is a tough zombie.
What are you doing here? Run now, before he changes you!
Sit down, priest.
I am Fayed, a priest of Ilmater. I attend the crypts and perform burial rites here at the Shrine of Suffering. Now I fear that I shall be the next one to be changed. Into the Walking Dead! Haven't you seen them? They're everywhere! My fellow brothers and sisters of the temple, all dead. I was taking an urn of ashes to one of the crypts when I discovered a strange set of tracks leading downwards. When I followed them, I found that thing, that foul orb, and the dead arose around me. Vile skeletons, zombies, unholy ground. I acted quickly, sealing this level off from the level below, then barricaded myself in this room. I had hoped sealing off this level would prevent the dead from reaching here. I was wrong. We priests of Ilmater set up some non-lethal traps here in the crypts to capture grave robbers. The trap that sealed off the exits is triggered by 3 urns on this level. When these urns are taken from their pedestals, stone blocks seal off all the exits from this level. I knocked all the urns from their pedestals and then barricaded myself in here. But I was not fast enough. Some of the dead had already entered this level, and the power of that thing below seems to be able to reach even here. Fortunately, I am able to hide myself from the eyes of these undead creatures, for the time being. I can only hope that the gates and wards will prevent the dead from reaching the level above.
Your mouth flap does not match what you're saying.
They're coming from below, from that thing in the Chamber of Ashes.
Yes, the thing. You've said the thing multiple times. And the orb.
What it was doing to my fellow priests. The orb calls to their spirits, then kills them, slowly letting them die, then raising them again so they may suffer in undeath as well. It hates all of us priests. Even now, I can hear it calling, trying to draw me to it so it can kill me, then raise me from the dead to perform its will. No, my place is here. I should help you, not run from this. If I can help you, I will. I don't know. I was delivering an urn to the lower crypts when I suddenly noticed tracks on the floor. As I am the only one who usually comes down, they lead to the level below. That was when To reach the level below, you must find the 3 urns on this level and place them back on the proper pedestals. Then the gate to the crypts below will open. There are 3 urns, gold, silver, and bronze. They and the pedestals they rested upon were intended to catch grave robbers. I had hoped by activating them I could seal the undead below. A vain hope. No, my place is here. I should help you, not run from this. Of course.
Okay. So now I can heal. Keen short sword. Same as that. Still don't know what the red mark is. I'm 172 for 180. Should probably head back. So I'll recall and sell some things. Shit.
We have many fine deals. What are you looking for?
Boop, 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 boop. Doop, 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 doop.
The Sunset Mountains.
Here, you can have your shield back.
We have everything you need right here.
Oh, I have a studded leather helmet now. Yes.
If you need something to split someone's skull, or a helm to protect your own, you'll come
I have
to the
$3
right
grand.
place. If quality and price are your chief concerns, then look no farther. You'll find my
What
shop
can I
has
buy for
excellent
$3
weapons at
grand?
reasonable prices.
Can I buy a fire sword? No. I'm short. Ah, both literally and figuratively. Sadness. Absolute sadness.
I think the smell of the sewers has taken a liking to you.
Can I buy anything else? Studded leather for...
We
that's
have many
2.
fine deals. What are you looking for?
Scale seems to be the best.
Our shop carries the finest dwarven weapons, brought here all the way from the Sunset Mountains.
I have both these things. Maybe some healing potions then? Because I seem to be running low, so I'll buy
We have everything
3 of those.
you need right here.
Please.
No, that doesn't work. Yes. Ghost just walking around. Alright. Alright, I think I'm gonna leave this here for now. We will continue on this crypt mission next week. I'll see you guys then. Take it easy and peace.